Sherri Plotke here with Arizona Golf and Sun Properties. I am out at the new Pulte community and the Wildhorse Estates in Scottsdale. It's in the Cactus Corridor. Zip code's 85260. Fantastic location. Very rare to find a new build property in this area, so it's been really highly sought after. So I'm touring you through a single level floor plan. It's called the Virtue. It's just over 3,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms with a den and a 3-car garage. This is a gated community, and like I said, it's a really fantastic area close to the 101 freeway. So take a look at this fantastic home. Super open concept layout and a real nice pool and backyard area. So look forward to touring you guys through.